Host, welcome back to another episode of English with Confidence. Today we're going to talk about a question that millions of learners around the world ask. How can I speak English fluently? To make this episode even more real and practical, I have a guest with me, Ali, who is also learning English and facing the same challenges many of you face. Hi Ali, how are you today?
Guest, Ali. Hi, I'm doing well. Thank you for inviting me. Honestly, I'm excited and a little nervous because English speaking is something I want to improve.
Host, that's exactly why we are here today. Don't worry, this is a friendly space. So tell us, what's your biggest struggle when it comes to speaking English?
Ali. Well, I can read and write a little, and I know some grammar rules. But when it comes to actually speaking English, I freeze. I hesitate. I forget words, and I feel embarrassed. Sometimes people laugh, and then I lose confidence.
Host, Ali, you just described the journey of 90% of English learners. And here's the truth, fluency has nothing to do with knowing all the grammar rules. Fluency means speaking smoothly, with confidence, and without fear.
Ali. Really? Because in school, teachers always told us to study grammar first.
Host, that's the traditional approach, but it doesn't work for speaking. Think about children. They learn to speak first, long before they study grammar in school. Your brain is capable of doing the same. So today, let's break down 5 powerful steps to speak English fluently. Step 1. Think in English. Host, Ali, the first secret is to think in English. Do you know why most learners hesitate?
Ali. Maybe because they don't know enough words?
Host, partly, but the real reason is they think in their mother tongue first, then translate into English. That delay causes hesitation. If you train your mind to think in English directly, your fluency improves instantly.
Ali. But how can I start thinking in English?
Host, start small. Describe what you see around you. For example, I am sitting on a chair. There is a book on the table. Say simple sentences in your mind or out loud. Slowly, your brain will stop translating.
Ali. Okay, let me try. I am talking in a podcast.
Host, perfect. That's exactly how it begins. Step 2, daily practice is the key. Host, now, step 2, practice daily. Speaking English is like going to the gym. If you exercise once a month, you see no results. But if you do a little every day, your muscles grow stronger. Similarly, daily speaking strengthens your English.
Ali. But I don't have anyone to practice with. What should I do?
Host, you can practice alone. Self-talk is powerful. For example, when you wake up, describe your routine. I am brushing my teeth. I am preparing breakfast. Even 10 minutes a day is enough.
Ali. So basically, I don't need a partner to improve.
Host, exactly. A partner helps, but your biggest partner is you. Record your voice, listen, and improve. Step 3, don't fear mistakes. Host, Ali, let me ask you, why are you afraid of speaking?
Ali, because I make mistakes, and people laugh.
Host, listen carefully. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Every mistake takes you one step closer to fluency. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Ali, so I should just speak, even if it's not perfect?
Host, yes. Speak, speak, and speak. Remember this line. Perfection is the enemy of progress. If you wait to be perfect, you will never start. Step 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Host, here's another powerful tip. Don't just memorize vocabulary, learn phrases.
Ali. Why phrases?
Host, because in real life we don't use single words, we use sentences. For example, instead of learning only the word help, learn the phrase, could you please help me? Instead of memorizing repeat, learn can you repeat that please? These ready-made phrases make you sound natural.
Ali. That makes sense. So I should focus on practical sentences I can actually use.
Host, exactly. Learn the language of daily life, not complicated textbooks. Step 5. Build confidence and motivation. Host, finally, the most important step, confidence and motivation.
Ali. But how can I stay motivated when progress feels so slow?
Host, think about why you want English. Is it for your career, for travel, for education? Keep that goal in mind. Motivation is like fuel. It keeps you moving. And confidence comes from action. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Ali. So confidence is not something I wait for. It's something I build by speaking?
Host, exactly. Confidence is the result of practice, not the requirement for it. Real life example. Host, Ali, let me share a story. One of my students, Sarah, was afraid to speak English. She never tried because she thought people would laugh. One day, she decided to speak only English with her younger brother for 10 minutes daily. After 3 months, her fluency improved dramatically. She even gave a presentation in English at her university.
Ali. Wow, that's inspiring.
Host, yes, and the lesson is simple. Daily small steps create big results. Summary. Host 1. So, let's quickly summarize for our listeners. Think in English. Stop translating. Practice speaking daily, even 10 minutes. Don't fear mistakes. They are your teachers. Learn useful phrases, not just words. Stay confident and motivated. And remember your why.
Ali. That's powerful. Honestly, this conversation itself has made me feel more confident.
Host. And that's the goal. To everyone listening, remember, fluency is a journey, not a destination. Start today, practice daily, and never give up. You can speak English fluently.
Ali, thank you for having me. This has been very motivating.
Host, my pleasure. And to our listeners, keep learning, keep practicing, and always believe in yourself. Until next time, stay confident and keep speaking English.